This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. New roof will be installed prior to closing. Experience luxury living in this stunning, custom-built pool home, perfectly redesigned to capture elegance and modern comfort. Nestled in the charming town of Oakland in the golf cart district with partial water views, this exceptional residence sits on over a quarter of an acre, 0.3, and features an open concept layout with high-end finishes. The gourmet kitchen boasts premium appliances, while the expansive living area seamlessly connects to the outdoor oasis, offering a sparkling pool and a spacious covered patio, perfect for entertaining. This home has maximized its space by offering a family 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. The newly renovated kitchen features Australian Dolomite counters, cafe appliances, including an induction cooktop with vented hood, built-in oven with air fryer, built-in microwave/convection oven, and beverage fridge, under cabinet lighting, solid wood shaker cabinetry with soft closed doors and drawers, tile backsplash, ample seating at the island, instant hot water and filtered water dispenser, and coastal style lighting to complete the design. Folding glass doors were added to enhance the indoor-outdoor living space. Step into your oasis for an evening by the saltwater-heated pool and enjoy a cold beverage by the fire pit. The first floor is enhanced with wood plank tile flooring, shiplap accent ceilings and walls, a stonewood burning fireplace, updated vanities and mirrors in the baths, and a custom-built laundry area. The downstairs primary suite connects to the pool deck through French doors and includes a dual vanity, tub, shower, and walk-in closet. An additional room with a Murphy bed is located downstairs, which could be utilized as an office, guest suite, or converted into a dining room. Upstairs you'll find 3 additional rooms and 1 full bath. One bedroom features a 3x10 area that can easily accommodate a desk. The middle room is unique in its design and could be used as a bedroom, playroom, or office. The shower and vanity area in the upstairs bath is separated by a pocket door, providing privacy and freedom for use by multiple family members. Key updates: extensive redesigned kitchen, interior paint, walls, trim, doors, and ceiling, first floor wood plank tile, vinyl fence, 2024, pool heat pump and filter, 2022, pool salt cell, 2024, 4-ton air conditioner, 2021, 80-gallon hybrid water heater, 2024, water heater, 2/3 years old, lighting fixtures, flat LED recessed lighting, garage door opener, spring, and wheels, 2021 to 2023, custom floor-to-ceiling garage shelving, and a new roof coming soon. Located in the golf cart district which connects to historic downtown Winter Garden where you can enjoy the brewery, shopping, outdoor dining, a play, the farmers market, and so much more. Enjoy proximity to the Oakland Town